Listen, the fireworks at Largo Park right now are getting set off early because this thing's on its way. It's on its way, guys. We've got thunderstorms and all sorts heading in this way. So I'm watching it right now. Happy 4th of July to everybody. It's not a dart yet, but they're getting rid of them now because it's supposed to be 9:15, but the storms are on the way in. Ah!
You know the rain's coming, that's why. Thank you.
Happy 4th of July, everybody. Listen, we got this coming in on this side. Oh, the weather over there. The weather's getting bad. Look at the lightning over there. Look at that. Isn't that pretty?
I gotta.
Pretty.
Phil's gotta help me with this one because I can't remember how to do this.